boys and girls? Welcome to Learn Guitar. We have Niko Moon, Rich Man. This is only a 3-chord song, guys. A great way to learn. 3 simple chords and a great song. So let's dive into this one. We have no need for any capo here. Let's go through the chords. We're gonna start with A first. Okay, so that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. And speaking of E, that's the next chord. That goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is D. And that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Alright, let's learn the easy the strumming pattern. It's a very common one. If you grab the first chord A, this goes. So you're gonna start with down first, then down up, and then up, down, up. So together it's down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, let's start with the first verse. We have A, 4 string rounds, D, 4 string rounds. You're gonna roll that for 2 times. So A, 2, 3, 4, then D, 2, 3, and 4. You repeat that again for a second time, and that is the first verse. Then into the pre-chorus. So we're gonna play now E2, D2, and E2 plus a pause like this. E, D, E, and pause. And that pause builds up for the chorus that starts about 50 seconds in. I'd be a rich man without any dollar. That is his theme here in the song. So what you're gonna play here for chorus is A4, D4, E2, D2, and back to A4 like this. 2, 3, and 4. Now D. 3, 4, E, 2, D, 2, A, 3, and 4. That is the first round, guys. Now, second round, the second verse is played exactly the same way, but only for 1 round. So A4 and D4, that's it. No second pre-chorus. You're gonna jump right into the second chorus and gonna play the same way as we just learned. After that, the second chorus comes to the instrumental part. What you're gonna play there is first 1 full round of the chorus. That means A, D, E, D, A. In the same way as you play the chorus. And then you're gonna continue with E2, D2, E2. And that's it. That is the instrumental part. After that follows the final parts of the song. That's the outro. So I'm gonna play A4, D4, E2, D2, then E2, D2 again, A4, and D4. Alright, so you can do a lot of magic with only 3 chord, guys. This is Niko Moon, Rich Man. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. A great beginner song. And yeah, see you soon, guys. Till next time, play tuned.